My name is Rebecca Marshman Rondo. I work for BaxterStorey as a group head pastry chef. The second dish I'm going to be showing you today is the blackberry honey lavender choux buns. We're going to make the choux by boiling water, butter, milk in a pan. We're then going to add a flour to make the roux. Then we'll add this into the KitchenAid mixer and then we'll add the eggs. We'll keep beating until we have a silky texture. We're then going to place this into a piping bag with a round nozzle. We're then going to pipe onto a tray using a weighing scale to get the precise measurements. We're then going to take our crack lamp from the freezer and we're going to cut discs, place this on the top and bake in the oven. We're going to bake at 160 degrees for 15 minutes and then we're going to bake for another half an hour at 160 degrees. We're going to make the dulce ganache by first boiling our first part of the cream. We're going to then pour this over the chocolate and the glucose. We're then going to add our cold cream, whisk again, leave to set overnight, and then we will whip the next day to form the whipped ganache. We're then going to make our honey bees. We temper our chocolate. We then place the chocolate into honey bee molds, leave to set, and then remove to make little bees. We're then going to make our whipped mascarpone, which is vanilla, double cream, mascarpone, whisk until soft peaks. So then we'll make our blackberry jam. We do this by making the sugar into a caramel in the pan. We then add the blackberries and cook out. We then leave to cool to one side. So the first part of the dish, we will pipe blackberry jam into the choux bun. We'll place a small hole in the top of the choux bun and pipe in the blackberry jam. We will then whip the dulce ganache, which we will then also pipe, filling the choux as much as possible. We will then use a star nozzle and pipe the whipped mascarpone cream on the top. Using a Parisian scoop, we will scoop out a small hole and fill with honey. We'll finish the dish by adding a small piece of lavender and a little honey. And here is my blackberry lavender honey choux.